Independence Day Message 2025. Happy Independence Day, Jamaica. Today, we thank God that we can celebrate the unwavering spirit of our ancestors, whose determination secured the freedom we treasure. As we honor our 61 years of independence, let us embrace the power of unity and diversity that shapes our nation. Each Jamaican contributes to our collective story. None more so than the vibrant and resilient members of the deaf community. You inspire us with your advocacy, creativity, and strength, reminding us that inclusion fortifies our independence. Let us continue to build a Jamaica where every voice is heard and valued, amplifying the harmony that unites us as one. Let us do this in the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. For none of us can doubt that we need God to take Jamaica in his hands. One love.